A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss the questions related to definite integrals of NCERT examiner. So see, now question is, in previous lecture I have also discussed this question. So now in today lecture I will discuss the same questions related to definite integrals. Now question is, integration over 5x dx whole upon x plus 1 x square plus 9. So this is our question. Now see, first of all, this fraction we have to split in terms of partial fraction into partially. We have to split. So let see the solution. Let 5x whole upon x plus 1 x square plus 9. This is the linear, this is the quadratic. So this one we can split constant upon linear plus linear upon quadratic. So this is the term I have split. Now when we will simplify the numerator or for the calculation of a and b, so this result I can write. So bx plus c with x plus 1. Now multiply here. What you will get the result? 5x is equal to ax square plus 9a plus bx square plus bx plus cx plus c. Now when we will equate, so 5x we can write a plus bx square plus b plus cx plus 9a plus c. Now this format we can write 0x square plus 5x plus 0 is equal to a plus b x square plus b plus c x plus 9a plus c. Now a plus b is 0, b plus c is 5 and 9a plus c is 0. So how we can solve this? A plus b is 0, so a is equal to minus b, you know. A is equal to minus b and b is equal to minus a we can write. So after solving this equation, we can get the values. And what you will get the values? So consider equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So from equation 1, 2 and 3. From equation 1, 2 and 3. See what we can write? I'm writing here. From equation 1, 2 and 3, A is equal to minus 1 by 2. B is equal to, when A is equal to minus 1 by 2, then B will be equal to 1 by 2. Because both sum is 0. And B is equal to 1 by 2, then C will be 5 minus 1 by 2. Result will be 9 by 2. So what we can write? C we can write 5 minus 1 by 2, result is 9 by 2. This implies C is equal to 9 by 2. Then this format will be with minus 1 by 2 and this format will be 1 by 2x plus 9 by 2. And we can integrate easily. So integration over 5x dx whole upon x plus 1 and x square plus 9 dx is equal to, you can write minus 1 by 2 integration over 1 upon x plus 1 dx plus 1 by 2 is common. 1 by 2 is common. So what we can take the result? How we can solve this? Suppose 1 by 2 we have taken common and x dx whole upon x square plus 9. Now with plus sign, this integration also I have split into two parts. So 9 by 2 integration over 1 upon x square plus 9 dx. Now see. Minus 1 by 2, this result is log of mod of 1 plus x. Now this result is, when you will consider t, so t is equal to, you are considering t is equal to x square plus 9, then dt result will be 2x dx. Now x dx result will be 1 by 2 dt. So this result will be 1 by 4 and 1 by t dt x dx. So 1 by t dt is here. 1 by t dt means log of mod of x square plus 9. Now plus, this is 9 by 2 and so this result will be 9 by 2 tan inverse 1 upon x square plus a square, result is tan inverse x by a or x square plus a square. What we can write? X square plus 1 result is tan inverse x and this result will be x square plus 3 square. So this result will be x by 3, tan inverse x by 3. Now plus c. So what we can write? In short, suppose you are taking 1 by 4 common from these two terms. So this result will be minus 2 log of mod of 1 plus x and plus log of x square plus 9 plus 9 by 2 tan inverse x by 3 plus c. And this one we can write 1 by 4 1 by 4 log m minus log n means result we can write log of mod of x square plus 9 whole upon x plus 2 whole square or 1 plus x whole square. Big bracket closed plus 9 by 2 tan inverse x by 3 now plus c. Now this is the answer. This is the complete answer of this question. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is how you will integrate this integral? Integration over, next question, integration over sin x whole upon sin of x minus a dx. How we can integrate this? So in short, I will hint it how we can solve this. So this expression we can write, see the solution, sin of x minus a and with plus a. This one we can write and whole upon sin of x minus a dx. Now we can split the numerator. After splitting numerator, result will be sin of x minus a cos of a plus cos of x minus a into sin a and whole upon sin of x minus a with dx. After calculation, this result will be cos of a integration over 1 dx plus this result will be sin of a integration of cot of x minus a dx. Now 1 dx result, you know, this is x. So x time cos a plus integration of cot of x minus a result is log of sin of x minus a or sin a I am copying here, sin a into log of mod of sin of x minus a plus c. Now you can see. Now this is the answer. This question is very simple. This is the answer. Now see, now next question is, suppose integration over, we are going to solve minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, suppose sine square x dx. Now you know this is the even function or odd function. First of all, I will check. I have to check. So see, let fx is equal to sine square x. So this implies what we can write about fx? X is equal to minus x, let. Then f of minus x, what we can write? F of minus x we can write minus time, or sine square minus x. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this one we can write f of minus x result is minus 1 to the power 2 sine of x. And this result we can write sine square x. Now you will see. So what we can see? This is even function. Even function. Now in case of even function, what we can write the formula? See, when integration over minus a to a, fx is equal to 2 times 0 to a, fx only for fx is even function. Fx is even function. So what we can write its result? Its result we can write from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sine square x dx. We can write 2 times integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine square x dx. And now sine square x dx, you know this is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 also. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Now see, and this one also we can write, suppose this is I, let I is equal to sine square x 0 to pi by 2. Now what we can write? This I we can write I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is sine square pi by 2 minus x. So result will be cos square pi by 2 x dx. So pi by 2 minus x, result will be cos x dx. We have used the formula integration over 0 to a fx dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. We have used the formula. And now when you will add, suppose equation 1 and equation 2. So when you will add equation 1 plus equation 2, you will get the result integration over 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta plus cos square theta, result will be 1 dx. Now 1 dx result will be x. So what will be the result? What you will get the result? And here we can write this is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So limit is from 0 to pi by 2. So 1 dx result is x. Now what we can write? See, now this result will be x. So pi by 2 means pi by 4 means we can say I is equal to pi by 4. Now when you will put this, result is 2 times I, and I result is pi by 2 into pi by 4, result you will get pi by 2. Now pi by 2 is the answer. Pi by 2 is the answer. Now you can see. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is, zero to pi next question is 0 to pi or 0 to 2 pi, we can say integration over 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx. So cos to the power 5x dx, this is odd or even? So let fx is equal to cos to the power 5x, we have considered. Now f of 2 minus or 2 pi, this is given 2 pi, this implies f of 2 pi minus x, what we can write? Result is cos to the power 5 2 pi minus x. And you know cos of 2 pi minus x result is lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant the value of cos is positive. So what we can write? It's a result we can write f of 2 pi minus x result is cos to the power 5x. This implies we can say fx is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. Fx is equal to f of 2 pi minus x. So what we can use the property? This is odd or even. So we can write, therefore integration over 0 to 2 pi cos to the power 5x dx, we can write 2 times integration over 0 to 2 pi, 2 times integration over 0 to pi, not 2 pi, cos to the power 5x dx. Now you can see. And this expression, by using the formula, we can write, when you will put fx is equal to minus x, or at the place of x you will put minus x, so you will get minus fx. So 0 to 2 pi f of a minus x result is minus time f of ax. Since f of pi minus x result you will get minus time f of x, therefore what we can say? We can write, therefore integration over 0 to pi cos of 5 to the power x result you will get 0. You will get 0. Now 0 is the answer, and 0 is the answer. See, now this question is totally completed.